Hey everybody, I am super excited to show you something new from Pink Zebra, and it's called ScentFlirt. Hi, this is Presidential Director Karen Esposito, and today I wanted to share with you something new at Pink Zebra, and that's called ScentFlirt. I hope you decide to subscribe to our new monthly fragrance program. This way you'll never run out of home fragrance, and you'll get the latest, greatest scents delivered right to your home. This monthly subscription is $26 with $4 shipping. So for $30 delivered to your door, you will get something new and different each month. As you know, with most subscriptions, they're surprises. Your home is going to smell wonderful each month, and you'll never run out of sprinkles. Subscribing to ScentFlirt for 6 consecutive months will also get you 5% off all your fragrance purchases, and that can add up. So with this particular ScentFlirt, you've got a lot of different sprinkles, so you won't run out. Different fragrances that no one else has. You're going to get the atomizer, a coupon, and a catalog. So each month it's going to be something different. And we also launched a brand new category called Wall Hug. And as a ScentFlirt subscriber, in a future shipment, you will get a full-size product of the Wall Hug. You will get one, and maybe that will come with some soaks. Who knows? It's a surprise. So that's why you want to sign up to subscribe at thezebradeva.com for ScentFlirt. So I also have a referral program, and if you refer 3 of your friends to subscribe with me, the Zebra Diva, you will get a jar of sprinkles, and I'll mail them off to you, and that is a $10 value. So go to my website on October 15th, thezebradeva.com, and sign up for ScentFlirt, and you want to hurry because subscriptions will sell out quickly.